Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the behavioral subject for the state management. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. A behavior subject is a type of subject that holds the most recent value emitted and emits this value to a new subscriber immediately. We have a very strong example, that is shared state between the component. That is, you are going to implementing a shopping cart when the multiple components need access to the current cart items, right? So let's update our code with this. So this is our service file that we are, this is cart service. Okay, so I'm going to use this in our service file, right? So this is what I'm going to use it. I'm going to open the service file. Okay, so I'm going to just update it. Whatever missing, I'm going to add it. That is RxJS. This I'm going to import. Okay, at the top of it, there is no error right now. Fine. Okay, now we are going to just import in our template file. So this is template one. Okay, so this is our template shopping. Okay, product HTML. I'm going to update this HTML. Now I'm going to update this. Okay, let's try to call this here. We don't require this. There is error. What? CartService. Okay, so you have to import service, my service. It's already there. My service, and here I'm going to just update it with this. Okay, now there is no error. Okay, I think this is also done. I'm going to run it. So property time does, because I have updated the this one HTML also, right? There is a time property. More. Let's rerun this. Okay, let's open the link. Now there is no error right now. Okay, so add item. So here you can see how many items we have added. Okay, so this is basic example of the shopping cart, like how many items we have currently, and wherever you want to update, you can update. Okay, let's take an example of the code. Okay, so here we can see that. Okay, so first of all, whatever requires the import, that my service. Okay, so here we have the service file. So what we are trying to do here, we have the importing the injectable decorator to make the service injectable across the app. Then we have a behavior subject, importing the behavior subject from the RxJS to manage the cart state. Okay, so here you can see that the cart subject is a private behavior subject that holds the current state of the shopping cart as an array of strings. Okay, so how many items we have, we can check. Okay, because like whenever I try to add the cart at the time of like the cart, I want to access all the elements of that one, how many items we have in the cart. Or we can say that in the header we have a component, we are going to update the how many items in the cart, like count. In that scenario, we can use exposing the cart subject as an observable cart. Okay, for the other components to subscribe to. This ensures that the components can react to the changes in the cart state. Okay, then we have a at item. So current cart. Okay, so getting the current value of the cart from the cart subject. This dot cart subject dot value. Okay, then creating a new array by adding the new item to the current cart and emitting its value to the next. So this dot cart subject dot next current cart, okay, and the item. Correct. Now moving to our component file, right? So here you can see that we have a cart items is a local variable that holds the list of the cart items for the display. Okay, then we have injecting the cart service to use its methods and observables. Then this dot cart service dot carts, here you can see that we have, okay, here you can see cart subject as an observable cart dollar for the other components to subscribe. Okay, so cart service dot cart subscribe, subscribing to the cart observable to receive the latest cart state. And then we are pushing it to the cart items, updating the local cart items variable whenever the cart state changes. Okay, and the add item. So this dot cart service dot add item we have in the service file. So here you can see the item. Okay, calls the add item to the on the surface to add a new item to the cart with the label based on its count. Let's check the console. Here we have, right? So here we have, you can see we can add the items and get the things. Okay, so here I think we have add item. So here you can see that the item with the cart items dot length, whatever length we have with plus one, item one, item two, item three, and f4. Okay, so this gonna be we are injecting into our, so we have a service. Okay, so get the current value and then we are just pushing it to the current one. Okay, so this is just an example of the behavior subject, right? I hope you have some little bit understanding on that. Any doubt, any query in that, do let it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. I have some explanation also. Let's add some explanation. Already I have explained, but let's take a look. Behavior subject tracks the cart state and provides latest value to the new subscribers as observable, exposes the behavior subject as a read-only observable to prevent the external modification. Shared state. Multiple components can react to the changes in the cart state seamlessly, right? Real life use case, that is share user authentication status, theme preferences, or the shopping cart data across the application. So here we have a cart service as a state manager. The cart service uses the behavior subject to hold and update the state of the shopping cart. This cart $observable allows components to subscribe to updates in the cart state. Okay, reactive updates, the cart component subscribes to the cart observable, and this ensures that the cart UI stays synchronized with the current state managed by the cart service. Adding items, when the add item button is clicked, the add item method in the cart component calls the add item method in the cart service, which updates the cart state. This updated state is emitted to all the subscribers cart component, triggering an automatic UI update. Separation of concern, the cart service handles the state management while the cart component handles the UI and the user interactions, ensuring the clear division and the maintainability. Right. So this is how behavior subject is working. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.